This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 6787. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 200. The chassis is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is 2-wheel drive. Engine is a V8 7.3 liter gasoline. Overall length is 273 inches. Overall height is 106 inches. Headroom is 72. It is a Medtec module. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new door gaskets, a new wheel siren and speakers, new wheel LED lights, exterior and interior, a new trip light inverter and charger, a new HVAC system and all supporting hoses. It also will be fitted with an auxiliary condenser mounted under body. It is a new 2021 Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase, 2-wheel drive, V8 gasoline engine, 7.3 liters. The body configuration is left front oxygen. It has a Medtec bracket for an 8-cylinder. Number 2 is a storage compartment. Also has the vacuum pump fitted in it. Could be fitted with a shelf if that was desired. Number 3 has mounting configuration for spare tire. Could also be fitted with a shelf if that was desired. Unit has all new rub rails, all new diamond plate corner guards, mud guards, running boards. It has new fenderettes. It also has a new rear diamond plate bumper with flip-up step. The load height is 31.5 inch without any cargo. The interior configuration is left-sided tenant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage below, behind, and above. It has a new combination child-adult attendant seat. It is a Type 3 configuration with a full walkthrough. HVAC system is all new and mounted in the front bulkhead. Power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It has a new console, a new panel, new LED switches, new wheel and siren head. You can see area below the switch panel for radio interface, beverages, and document storage. HVAC system is fitted with a UV light to fight virus. It's in a hidden chamber such that the light cannot contact or be exposed to any human. There is also a shutoff switch for that UV light as well if desired to have it shut off. The ALS compartment is inside-outside access with plexiglass doors in the front, locking cabinet above. Storage above the squad bench, waste and sharps at the end of the squad bench, storage underneath the squad bench, additional storage at the head of the squad bench. Our number 3 is for backboard storage. It's also sufficient storage for stair chair. Our number 2 small adjacent compartment. ALS compartment has inside-outside access with adjustable shelves. Unit has a battery tray below R1. one battery under hood, and one in the battery compartment. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 6787, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.